Oh, I think I ruined my panties with that one.
Hold on.
Get back. That one's a scary one. Much better.
No. He scared the toots out of me. So, now it's time for a bath. What do you think of this question? Oh. Okay.
Different cats kissing each other.
What? Sorry. That one didn't even taste good. So I put a heart. Oh, where's Joey? Ow! Hello. Hello. Get out of the room.
So,
I know, I get you so good every time. Oh, that was a fun one. I don't know what that is. Oh. Oh, there it is. That was a good one. Catch me if you can, Cottontail.
You've never been on Ellen?
No.